I welcome you to the state of Telangana and its vibrant capital, Hyderabad. Telangana has a rich history, tradition, culture, and heritage. We were part of state called Andhra Pradesh and fought for many decades for separate state. The leadership for education came from students, trade union workers, farmers, and women. It's because of their fight we got separate state. However, for 10 years, dreams and aspirations of people were not fulfilled. They were deeply disappointed. When Congress government got elected, expectations were high. Our government has simple mantra: fulfill dreams of every section of society, especially students and youth, farmers, women, and oppressed castes. We have launched some of the biggest welfare schemes in the history of India. On August 15, 2024, we paid rupees 20,617 crore to 25,50,000 farmers totally debt-free. On India's Independence Day, farmers of Telangana found free from debt. This is biggest loan waiver in India for any state. Farmers in my state get 24/7 free power. We gave a crop input subsidy named by Rait Bharosa of rupees 12,000 per year per acre of land. An annual support of rupees 12,000 per family is given to landless labor with Narega cards. Together, we give over rupees 20,000 crore annually to agriculture sector, farmers with land and landless labor combined. We are able to do justice to agriculture and farmers and the farming ecosystem. Farmers are seen agitating for minimum support price. In my state, in many states, in Telangana, we give minimum support price and additional paddy crop bonus of rupees 500 per quintal. Telangana farmers are making profits after we introduced bonus scheme. Farmers also benefit from both farmers insurance and crop insurance. And also students were at the forefront of Telangana education, but nothing was done for them. Their education or employment opportunities. Many youth pass out from college with a certificate, but no skills. For such youth, we started the Young India Skills University. There were no government job recruitment or notifications. When we took charge in the first year, we could fill over 60,000 jobs in government. We now launched Raju Yuva Vikasam to fund startup dreams, covering 5 lakh youth. The Congress party has a history of understanding what people need to different times and make policies to address those needs. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of India, focused on irrigation and education. Srimati Indira Gandhi focused on removing poverty through programs for roti, kapda or makan. The next 3 Congress Prime Ministers, Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, P.V. Narasimha Rao and Manmohan Singh focused on modernization, development and global technology revolutions like telecom and software. It is they who made it possible today for India to be 5th largest economy in the world. Our top priority is education, health and employment opportunities. We attended investment summits in Davos, USA, South Korea, Japan and Singapore. We got over 2.5 lakh crores investment to create jobs for youth in private sector. Telangana is a state where women are treated with equality and respect as part of our culture. Our women have led the struggle for separate state as strongly as our men. For my government, women, farmers and youth are most important stakeholders. We have amazing women entrepreneurs in my state. They are organized into self-help groups. It has 67 lakh members. We want to make 10 million women business successes. We want to see them grow into millionaires. We have made these women owners of solar power plants, electric RTC buses, petrol bunks, and gave them shops in premium retail outlets. Today, they are earning more money than ever before. Today, our power distribution companies have signed deals with women solar power companies to buy 1000 megawatt solar power. Women own 600 buses competing with corporate transport firms. Our women entrepreneurs are competing with Adani, Ambani and big corporates in running these solar plants, EV buses and have shops in the highest street retail at Shilpa Ramam. In fact, we have scheduled a visit to this amazing facility where they are making products and displaying and selling them to world market. You will see their faces, happy and proud because they own businesses next to top global companies like Microsoft, Google, HCL, Infosys, etc. House is a matter of pride, dignity and identity for every family. We want to make every woman in my state a house owner. As part of India Indiramma Illu scheme, in first year we have given 22,000 crore to 4,50,000 families to build their own houses. Today, women have free public transport in RTC buses across the state. So far in 15 months, we have spent 5,000 crore on the free bus scheme for women. Women look after entire family, so we ensure best free rides through rations. Free domestic electricity and rupees 500 per gas cylinder. For our government, education and healthcare are top priorities. The Rajiv Arogyasri is one of the best universal healthcare support schemes, where treatment of up to 10 lakh is paid by government. We give financial assistance to citizens for healthcare through CM Relief Fund. In 1 year, we have given 1,000 crores so far. Water is our lifeline of civilization. We are regenerating River Musi, 55 kilometers long, cleaning a polluted river and bringing it back to life. We are doing it for the future and protect people from pollution. We have studied river and waterfront development in many cities, including River Hudson in New York, Thames in London, Sumida in Tokyo. Muse will become biggest attraction of our city in the future and create thousands of jobs. Infrastructure is crucial to fight poverty and create wealth for all. We are undertaking many infra projects to make Hyderabad a top global city. We are building future city, a 30,000 acre world-class city, a regional ring road of 370 kilometers long and expanding our metro railway. You must have visited Charminar, Golconda Fort, Makkah Masjid, Hussain Sagar Lake and Buddha statue. In times ahead, we will add many modern marvels. We are combining and balancing between needs for investments, jobs creation, economic growth and welfare and environment for good governance. Our approach is simple: increase government revenue, to share with the poor people. We are transparent and proactive in reforms. For example, we are setting up a gig and app workers welfare policy. We have shared draft policy in public for feedback and suggestions. We conduct Prajavani where citizens can share all their issues and problems. Every week, officials, MLAs, MLCs, ministers and Chief Minister listen to people's grievances to address them. We have a portal to monitor entire program transparently. I am proud to share Telangana is the first state in India to conduct a caste survey. For nearly 100 years, no one conducted it. Empowerment of BCs is part of Telangana model. It is a reason why Telangana is rising. It is the reason why Telangana is a role model for OBC empowerment. We are first state in India to subclassify quota for Dalits to fulfill their age-old demand. Now, 15% SC quota is subdivided among subcastes. We are proud to say Telangana is rising because of Dalits are rising. I am delighted to share that Telangana is the first government to recruit third gender in our government as part of traffic police force. We will take them into other departments too. Implementing welfare, ensuring infrastructure and investment to create jobs and wealth, transparent governance and removing corruption is the hallmark for our government. We are already seeing results. Fastest growing economy, highest per capita income, fastest jobs creation, lowest inflation, best policing, highest own tax collections, rapidly emerging as a hub in many sectors like global competency centers or otherwise GCCs, EVs and data centers. Our work has started. We have to do a lot more. I invite all of you to please join this mission to change lives of people of positively. You must use your experience, knowledge, skills to share the Telangana rising story and give us inputs to do better work. Tell the world what you have seen and witnessed. Tell the world about our vision, our work, our achievements, the transformation and people's views. Become the brand ambassadors of Telangana Rising. I wish you all wonderful time at Bharat Summit. Thank you.